Hello, my good friends around the earth. In this episode, we're going to make another delicious dish from Mexico called pozole. Now we'll pull the ingredients from the ancient book. To make chicken pozole rojo for 4 to 6 people, you need 800 grams of chicken thighs or breasts. Thighs are preferred for better flavor. 2 onions and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And of course, don't forget to bay leaves. A pinch of salt and black pepper, and 1.5 to 2 cups of hominy, the magical corn. Also need to dried ancho chili, 3 dried guajillo chili, and about half a teaspoon of cumin. For toppings, you'll want finely shredded white cabbage, lime or lemon, and sliced radishes. Add the meat to a pot with 2 liters of water. Cut 1 large onion in half and add it to the pot along with 5 cloves of garlic. 2 bay leaves, plus some salt and black pepper. Once it boils, reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 30 minutes. Don't forget to skim off any foam on top. After the chicken is cooked, shred it into pieces. Now strain the chicken broth. Set aside 1 cup of it for the sauce and keep the rest for later for the sauce. Soak the ancho and guajillo chili in boiling water for 15 minutes, then remove their stems and seeds. Now add the chili to cloves of garlic, small onion, cumin, salt, and chicken broth to a blender. When the sauce is fully blended, strain it to make it smooth and silky. Now place the strained chicken broth over low heat. Add the shredded chicken and corn into the pot. We add the red chili sauce as well, and give it a good stir. Let it simmer gently for 30 to 40 minutes so the flavors come together completely. And then we move on to the toppings. Serve the pozole in bowls and garnish with lettuce, sliced radishes, and lime. Set up a traditional Mexican table. And enjoy the dish with toasted bread or tortilla chips. Another recipe complete, but my journey has just begun. Subscribe and follow me to the next country.